page 8, Angels We Have Heard on High. Let's look it over. It's 4/4 time, so we're counting to 4. There's 4 beats in a measure, and the quarter note gets a count. That's okay. We're sort of in C position, but the right hand's going to move around a little bit. Now, both hands are playing at the same time, and normally when I do this, I like to learn it one hand at a time first, and then put the hands together. But in order to make this video a little shorter, I'm going to combine the hands both together. You can, when you approach it, you can do it one hand at a time if it helps. So at the beginning, the left hand is on C and G. And I assume you know the names of these notes and everything. That puts you in C position here. The right hand is third finger here, so we're in C position to start. And we have half notes in the right hand, and the left hand is tied all the way across, so you just got to hold it down. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Remember, the dotted half note gets 3 counts here, and then measure 5, the left hand isn't playing anything. The measure 7 with the left hand plays, it's here. 1, 2, 3. So here you're using different fingers at the same time and everything. You just gotta, these are together, and then these are together, and these are together. And then you just put in the rhythm. 1, 2, 3. Like so. Let's go over to page 9, second line, measure 17. You have a rest at the end of the first line, so you have time in your right hand to come up to here. You want third finger on the G, so you're going to come from here to here. That's all right, just lift up and move. You can leave the left hand where it is for now. I'll talk about the left hand in a minute. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now they want the third finger, so you scrunch up just a little bit here. 2, we changed hand positions. Scrunch up again, third finger. 2, 3, 4. We're back to C position. And they want third finger here. I don't know why. I see no reason for third finger. I suggest you leave your left hand where it is and use thumb. I see no reason. They want you in middle C position. I don't understand that. So just use thumb there. And then you've had that. Let's look at the last 4 measures there, the second ending. These notes are together, and then these notes are together, and then at the end you have a C in the right hand, and you have an E and a G in the left hand together. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's tricky to go from here to here. May have to practice that. To work on that little spot to get it, because you can't hesitate in. No hesitations allowed here. Once you can get the hands together, then we'll add the phrasing. They don't put phrasing slurs over repeated notes. I don't know why not. I mean, technically you can't connect them because they're repeated, but you can still sort of pretend they're connected. So to me, that first line should all be slurred together. And then lift up. Lift up, just like taking a breath. And in this piece, it looks like it's at the end of each line for the first 4 lines. And when you get to measure 17, then you have a bunch connected. All of this is connected. Then you lift up. So put in the phrasing. The dynamics apply to the melody in the right hand here. The left hand, can you play that soft and this loud at the same time? Because that F means loud. 1, 2, 3. I sped it up. And then second line, you come down a little bit to sort of loud. The left hand should still be soft. We want to hear not, no, play the left hand soft. I know that takes control to play one hand louder than the other, but you need to learn to do it. So start now if you haven't. Just keep working. It can take months. It can take a year or more. Just keep working at it. It does come eventually. Just keep at it. Measure 9 and you're loud again in the right hand. The left hand's still soft. Measure 13, you go down to moderately loud. Measure 17, you're loud. And when you get to measure 23 and 24 in the left hand, that's melody. So that's the same loudness as the right hand. So measure 22, you hear. So that's loud just like the right hand was doing because it's melody. And then the measure 27, you're soft in the left hand. And the end, the last four measures, loud in the right hand, soft in the left. If you can, try it. As far as the speed goes, we sped it up quite. This is a happy song. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, almost like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Now the road map, I didn't explain that. Well, you have a first and second endings at the bottom of page 9. And there's a repeat sign at the end of the first ending. So you're going to repeat back, but there's a reverse repeat sign at the beginning of measure 17. So you only go to there. See, if that reverse repeat sign were not there, you go all the way back to the beginning. But with the reverse repeat sign there, you only go back and repeat that much again. And then when you come back down to the last line, now you do the second ending because you've already done the first ending. You're done with it. Don't do it again. One and done. And then the second ending and go on. That's how that works. I'd like to play it with you slowly. Let's check the notes and rhythms. I'm not going to do any of the dynamics, the louds and softs. I'm going to play both hands about the same. But we are going to do the repeat. So I'll give us 4 counts. Now let's try it together. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, rest, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Repeat. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 2. Second ending. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Tie. 2, 3, 4. Off. There is a duet for this also, so I'd like to do that, and you do what we just did. I'm going to speed it up quite a bit. because it really does go a lot faster than this. Maybe not full speed, but and I need you to go up an octave again. So just pretend middle C on the piano goes up to this C and play it up here. You're out here. Like that. Play it all up there. I'll give us 4 counts. Now, in order to get this work with a metronome, I've had to change the metronome and put it on half notes. So it's beating half notes instead of quarter notes. Because if I put it on quarter notes, it's just going too fast. It's hard to follow. So it's like here, those are half notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. That's about how fast we're going to go. 1, 2, ready, go.